The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. The North Star continues to attack civilians in their shelters. Members of the North Star are currently attempting to contain Cheryl Noble. Cheryl continues to release radioactive materials into the city. In addition, multiple unidentified vehicles have been spotted patrolling the city of Topeka. These vehicles are headed toward Cheryl's location. If you see Cheryl Noble in your area, head underground immediately. It is uncertain if these vehicles will attack. Stay tuned for more updates as they become available. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. The vehicles that were spotted around the city of Topeka have been destroyed by Cheryl Noble. The explosions have released heavy amounts of radioactive materials into the city. At least 1,000 civilians have been exposed to this substance. Symptoms of exposure include nausea, vomiting, headaches, dizziness, fatigue, diarrhea, disorientation, paralysis, seizures, and coma. Members of the North Star have been incapacitated by Cheryl Noble. Cheryl's location isn't known at this time. If you spot Cheryl in your area, do not interfere with her. Hide immediately, and dial 911 immediately. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Department of Homeland Security and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. An individual has been spotted fighting alongside Cheryl Noble. The individual has been identified as 20-year-old Nixon Darian. Nixon is a white male, 6 feet 2 inches tall, weighing in at 146 pounds, with dark brown hair and green eyes. He has a scar on his left cheek, and his hair covers his right eye. He was last seen wearing a white polo shirt, a black open trench coat with the right sleeve rolled up, beige pants, and brown boots. Nixon Darian can turn into a cloud of black mist for a short period of time, and can throw multiple crystal shards. Cheryl Noble is still at large. If you see Cheryl or Nixon in your area, please dial 911 immediately. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Department of Homeland Security and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. The North Star has sent out members to set up military bases in the state of Kansas. Military bases will be set up in the following cities: Dodge City, Hays, Hutchinson, Kansas City, Lawrence, Topeka, and Wichita. These bases will send out members of the North Star to take out resistance groups, and to hunt down Cheryl Noble. The North Star will be patrolling the city shortly. Residents in the city of Topeka are advised to head underground immediately. If you are caught outside, you will be executed. Stay tuned for more updates as they become available. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Department of Homeland Security and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. The North Star has sent out multiple armed vehicles into the state of Kansas. These vehicles are targeting resistance groups in cities with military bases. These vehicles are firing explosives, which have destroyed most of the city of Topeka. In addition, the explosives have released an unknown substance into the air. Members of the North Star have been unaffected by the substance. Civilians are advised to close all openings to their shelter. Seal any cracks and vents. If you spot a member of the North Star near you, hide away and do not make any sudden noises. Stay tuned for more updates as they become available. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Department of Homeland Security and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. Nixon Darien is currently engaging the vehicles in the city of Topeka. Multiple crystal shards have erupted from the ground, which have destroyed most of the vehicles. Cheryl Noble is currently fighting off the members of the North Star. However, the members of the North Star are unaffected by Cheryl Noble. Cheryl's body is releasing low amounts of radioactive materials. The substance released by the explosions are believed to be nullifying the radioactive materials. The North Star has sent out more members to Cheryl's location. If you are near the ongoing battle, do not interfere. Remain underground until it is safe to do so. Stay tuned for more updates as they become available. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. Nixon Darien has been taken down by the North Star and has turned into a cloud of black mist. Cheryl Noble continues to fight off members of the North Star. She is using her cybernetic arms to take out the members. The vehicles have fired more explosives and have left the area. The explosions have released heavier amounts of the unknown substance into the city. The substance is weakening Cheryl Noble, as her body is no longer releasing radioactive materials. Civilians are strongly The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. The North Star military base in Kansas City has launched 5 missiles at the city of Topeka. The contents of the missiles are unknown at this time. As a precaution, all civilians in the city of Topeka are ordered to evacuate now. Bring enough food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio. Use only one vehicle per family. Do not evacuate to the cities where North Star bases are present. The missiles are expected to hit the city of Topeka in the next 30 minutes. Evacuate now. This station will now go off the air.